ऑलमोस्ट पेशेंट हम पेशेंट का जो लाइफ तो वो होप छोड़ दिया था।
डॉक्टर हमको कहले भगवान को ऊपर विश्वास रखो, आम ऊपर भरोसा रखो।
In a remarkable turn of events, a 24-year-old man whose heart had stopped beating for nearly 2 hours was brought back to life through a medical miracle at AIIMS Bhubaneswar. Subhakanta Sahu, who had suffered a cardiac arrest, was declared clinically dead for an extended period. But a team of dedicated doctors and medical professionals defied the odds, successfully reviving him. Hospital authorities called it a testament to the expertise and determination of the medical team. The youth, Subhakant, a resident of Nayagarh, experienced an unexpected weakness on the night of September 30th. He was initially taken to a local medical center in Ranpur by his family. Noticing his declining heartbeat, the Ranpur doctors referred him to AIIMS Bhubaneswar for advanced treatment. By the time Subhakant arrived at AIIMS, his heart had stopped functioning due to cardiogenic shock and his blood pressure had plummeted significantly. Although doctors attempted to augment his blood pressure through medication, his heartbeat grew weaker. Suddenly, Subhakant went into cardiac arrest. His heart had stopped completely, prompting the medical team to administer CPR. Even after 40 minutes of resuscitation attempts, his heart had not resumed beating. Before declaring him dead, the doctors accepted the challenge to revive him by using an extracorporeal membrane oxygenation machine, also known as ECMO, to attempt another round of CPR.
डॉक्टर हमको जेहेतु डायरेक्ट कही ना माने आमे भयभीत करूँ कि कौन बोली डॉक्टर हमको जदि बा कही ना डॉक्टर हमको कहले भगवान को ऊपर विश्वास रखो, आम ऊपर भरोसा रखो। आउ से भरोसा विश्वास आपण पुओ को जीवन दे पारे। तापर 48 घंटा हेबाकू किछि समय 2 घंटा बाकी 44 घंटा आइछि, धीरे धीरे हार्टबीट चलिला।
Remarkably, after around 2 hours, his heartbeat began to return slowly. With ECMO support and continued CPR, it became regular after 36 hours, and in 4 days, his heart started pumping again. However, by then, his lungs, kidneys and liver had been adversely affected. It took him nearly a month and a half to restore his health completely.
ऑलमोस्ट पेशेंट हम पेशेंट का जो लाइफ तो वो होप छोड़ दिया था। बट हमारे पास एक इक्मो मशीन है ना। इक्मो मशीन इज ए वन काइंड ऑफ सोफिस्टिकेटेड हाई एंड मशीन, जो मशीन जो लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग सिचुएशन में यूज होता है, और वो भी द कार्डियोपल्मोनरी द सर्वाइवल, जब हार्ट फेल हो जाता है, लंग्स काम नहीं करता है, तो उस टाइम हम इस मशीन को यूज करते हैं। तो वो इक्मो मशीन हमारे पास है। तो जब हमें कुछ होप नहीं देखा कि इसका हार्ट का लंग्स का कोई साइन नहीं था और ऑलमोस्ट डेड डिक्लेयर हम कर चुके थे। बट एक ट्रायल के ना हमारे कोई ऐसे गाइडलाइन नहीं है, कोई कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि इक्मो आप ट्राई करो सीपीआर के बाद। तो एक ट्रायल हमारे जो एंथुजियास्टिक द फैकल्टी है, जो जितने रेसिडेंट हो, तो एक ट्रायल बेसिस में उसको इक्मो लगा के फिर सीपीआर किया। तो आधे घंटे बाद फिर पेशेंट ऑलमोस्ट कितना हाफ एन आवर 40 मिनट्स इक्मो मशीन लगा के हमने जब किया, तो धीरे धीरे इसका हार्ट बीट चालू हो गया।